Me, I'm back. Um, I'm sorry I didn't take another video today because I wasn't feeling well. My head was kind of hurting, my throat was sore, but I'm back. I know I didn't go to school because I kind of got a sore throat. But anyway, we'll be doing another Toothless St. Patrick's Day slideshow part 2. This one has Barf and Belch, even though that you've seen that one because that's where we stopped for part 1. And some of them have Baby Toothless. Toothless probably with his night lights, or it's a light furry. I think it's Toothless. Yeah, it is. And then some have Toothless and the light furry. Light furry is white, but then Toothless is green. And there's another one which is Toothless green. If you see a night furry it's green, it's Toothless. It's just they colored him green, similar to St. Patrick's Day. But anyway, enjoy this video. Alexa, continue. Alexa, next song.